You are facing a lot of problem to improve your English while you are watching a lot of video, lot of movies, or hear a lot of song, or reading a lot of book. This type of problem you are facing to improve your English. But okay, this today video I want to share with you the most important thing, the random roadmap to improve your English very easily. Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal Dajne, and today's video I'm going to share with you the most important way, the most important roadmap to help to improve your English very frequently. Okay, so don't waste ample of the time, so don't waste a significant time. So let's jump on today's topic. Okay, so how to start English, how to improve English very naturally. Okay, so you are watching video, you are trying to improve your English, but you are facing problem. Okay, so first of all, the most important thing, vocabulary, right? As well, lot of grammar or lot of phrases. Okay, this important or not? The answer is no, absolutely no. You need only the 4 or 5 vocabulary, as well some simple like present, past and future, the 3 grammar rule, and simple phrases like good morning, hi my dear friend, how are you all doing? The simple phrases you have to know. So this is enough? Yes, absolutely enough, because you are trying to improve in English, but you have 5 or 6 vocabulary or 2 or 3 grammar rules. That is enough to improve your English. Okay, so what is the roadmap to help your English? First technique, you are doing work, you are currently trying to improve your English, but the first important thing you have to learn, you have to learn daily 5 vocabulary to improve your English. Daily 5 vocabulary, that means 5 vocabulary, not just remember. Okay, not just remember, you have to improve. That means you have to speak gradually, repeatedly, again and again. That is the help to remember this vocabulary easily. That is the first thing. Okay, this roadmap is only 30 days to improve your English, and this I guarantee you, you are follow this roadmap, so your English will absolutely improving. So firstly, easy listening. You have to learn 5 vocabulary daily. That is enough. So you don't have much time to remember 5 vocabularies. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Just you have to learn only 2 vocabulary daily. Just not remember, you can repeat this vocabulary again and again. Okay, so you can use this vocabulary again and again. Okay, so any sort of reason you have to do. And second is daily 5 minute reading. Daily 5 minutes reading is literally important to improve in English, because your talking practice or your tongue will train, your tongue will train to improve your English very naturally. That is the best part. So you have to read only 5 minutes every single day. That is enough. Third thing is you have to use 3 types of grammar. That means present, past and future. The 3 simple rule is we can use in present tense is, past tense is had and was, and future, that means will be, we can use. That is the same most important 3 grammar rules. Okay, so you can easily use. So this activity you have to try daily. Okay, this is the same thing you have to follow every day. But next level, what is the part of next level to improve your English very easily? The next level part is speaking practice. That is the most important part, speaking practice. You don't have any partner to speak English, so you have to speak with the AI resources. That means Gemini, that means ChatGPT, or a lot of application is available on a Play Store, so you can check out, you can reach out and download on your mobile, and just you have to speak on those applications. Okay, so you have to use these resources. Okay, so these all of this you have to do every single day. Every day you have to do only like 2 vocabulary, 5 minutes reading, and speak only 2 or 3 minutes every single day, and just use grammatically 3 statement. That is the enough. That is enough every single day. And this English, okay, and the most important thing is, don't forget this. Okay, don't forget this, and don't skip any day. Okay, you have to do consistently. That is the very important thing. You have to do consistently this work, only 30 days. And 30 days this plan is literally useful for you to improve your English. Okay, So you are beginner to speak English, so you have to follow this roadmap. You can improve your English very easily. Okay, so till then keep learning and keep exploring. So don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.